Hello to all learners. My name is Nikul Patel. I am here to share some knowledge about oil hydraulics and pneumatics. This subject was introduced by the Gujarat Technological University in the 7th semester of Mechanical Engineering Department, and it was also introduced into the 5th semester of the same branch this year. This slide shows teaching scheme of this subject, and there are 3 hours allotted for the lectures and 2 hours allotted for the laboratory session, and the total credit of this subject is 5 and 3 credit in 5th semester. There is no laboratory sessions in 5th semester, so no practical knowledge, only theoretical knowledge. There are total 8 units in this syllabus. In the first unit, you may learn about what is hydraulics, what is pneumatics, and basics of hydraulic system as well as its advantage and disadvantages. In the second unit, you will get to know different symbols which are used in hydraulic and pneumatic system while designing the circuit diagram. You also learn different type of oils and different type of filters which are used in the hydraulic system. About different pumps, motors, and actuators, we will study into the third unit of this syllabus. Hydraulic system never works without supportive accessories and different type of valves. We are going to study all the different parts which are used in hydraulic system in the fourth unit. After completing the study about different parts and elements of hydraulic system, we are going to study about assembly of all parts and how to make hydraulic system in the fifth unit. Sixth and seventh unit is all about the pneumatic system. We are going to learn about all things which are related to pneumatic system like different elements, working principles, and about pneumatic circuit in these units. Last unit is all about the automation in the both system. This is the list of reference books which are very much useful for this subject. I would like to recommend two books from this list, book number 2 and book number 8. Both the systems are separately described in these books. You will find out theory with industrial approach for the hydraulic system and pneumatic system in these books. Now, let's start with the introduction. First thing we need to understand is fluid power. Fluid is one of the good source of power or energy. When fluid is stored, just like in this picture, we all know that potential energy of the storage water is used to produce electricity. Sometimes fluid need some additional energy or power to perform work. Just like we use motor and pump in a hydraulic system and compressor in pneumatic system. We can majorly categorize fluid into the two categories. The first one is liquid and second one is gaseous. Liquid fluid is used in hydraulic system whereas gaseous fluid is used in pneumatic system. Let's take a look little bit about history of fluid power. Fluid power was used for mankind from the ancient time, but it got scientifically recognition in the 16th century, and practical use of this power begins in the 17th century. We all recognize this image or figure very well. Yes, this figure we use to describe Pascal law. Pascal law was introduced or proven by the Blaise Pascal in 1648, but practically this law was used in 1795 by the Joseph Brahma in the industrial application to generate fluid force. Now, let's see what is hydraulics and what is pneumatics. First, I will tell you about hydraulics and later on pneumatics. Hydraulic word come from the Greek word hydrolikos, and this word is also combination of two Greek words hydor and aulos. Hydor means water and aulos means pipe. Take a look at the popular hero in India few years back. In this earth moving machine or say vehicle, hydraulic system is used for force generation. This is the definition of hydraulics. Hydraulics is a technology and applied science using engineering, chemistry, and other sciences involving in the mechanical property and use of liquids. In hydraulic system, liquid fluid oil is mostly used as a working fluid. By using the pressurized liquid in hydraulic system, we can generate, control and transmit power from one place to another. Now, let's understand the word pneumatic. This word is also comes from the Greek word pneuma, and the meaning of this word is breath of life. We can say in general air. Wait, this word is pneumatics, not pneumatic. Never pronounce it like pneumatic because P is silent in this word. Look at the picture placed on the left side of this slide. This is the robotic arm. In robotic arms, pneumatic system is generally used. In robotics, electrical and pneumatic component plays a significant role. This is the simple meaning of pneumatics or say definition of pneumatics. It is a branch of engineering that makes use of gas or pressurized air. Pressurized air is used as a working fluid in the pneumatic systems. Stay tuned for the remaining syllabus. Thank you.